Hello guys, welcome by this fourth part of the missile launcher tutorial. In this part we're going to merge our project together and we're going to add some deflectors for the particles because, well, you'll see. So first off, I have two project files. I've got the launch pad and I've got the missile. Well, let's start with the launch pad. Just open it up, and as you can see, this is only the launch pad and no missile. Well, we have to merge the project together, so we'll hit File and hit Merge and hit Missile. And that will get both of them in the same project, which is pretty nice. Okay, now I can remember that I rotated the launch pad 60 degrees, so I can move this rocket up 60 degrees and it will be exactly the same as our launch pad, and that's good. That's okay. Only problem is that our missile is way too big, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna shrink it down. Shrink it down till the wings are not touching our launch pad anymore. So let's center this a little bit and let's take a look. Okay, that can come a little bit more closer to the edge. Okay, this is good. Now what we're going to do is, as you could see, the particles are going straight through our disk, which is not really what I want or what we want. It's going straight through our back of our project. So if I render this out at, well, about this, and we render it out, it comes through our back of our launch pad, and we don't want that. So what we're going to do is we're going to bounce the particles back inside of the tube. So what we're going to do is hold and click on the emitter, hold it, and let it go on deflector. So now we have deflector. We're going to rotate this a 90 degrees so that we have it straight up to our launch pad. But first we're going to take the missile and we're going to move it back really inside of the tube. It's important. So now we're about good. Yeah. So okay. Now take the deflector and rotate it till it matches, till about matches our launch pad, and put it just inside of our launch pad. Now check it out if the particles coming through that thing. Yes, if you're going too quickly, it's going through it, but that's just what's grabbing through. If we hit F8 to render it all out, as you can see, it bounces all back, which is pretty much what we want. Now, another thing is, our particles are living too long. So we're going inside of the missile, hit the emitter, and here we have lifetime. I'm going to set the lifetime to 30 frames. So the frames will live till about 30 frames. So if I hit F8 to view what's happening here, it's becoming towards the nose right here, and that's also pretty much what we want, what I want at least. So yeah, that's about it for adding deflectors. just gonna line, oops, gonna line the deflector up a little bit more, because it's really in the center. So more like this, and if we hit play, go back totally to frame 0 and hit play, it should work here, as you can see. So it's pretty nice. Okay, this was it for part 4, adding deflectors and merging everything together. Click on the center of the screen to go to the 5th part, which is animating the whole animation. Just like this file that I have right here. One moment. Just like my video on YouTube right here. We're gonna animate it just like that. Well, you will notice that the smoke is coming through our tube anyway. That's the only negative part about Pyrocluster. It's not really good controllable. And yeah, so that's one thing, but I'm doing this tutorial because it was asked. So anyways, I'm just doing this tutorial right now. So anyways, in the next part we're gonna create this animation, just getting up of the launch pad. So stay tuned, click on the center of the screen to go to the next part, and we'll see you in the next part. Bye.